B might have contacted E, and again you can sort of remember the route coming through. Eventually one of these will work. This red one becomes, say, the preferred route. So that's the route reply. To send a message back saying, yep, that route works okay. Can you send me the messages through here so you're not sort of going out one step through another. Now that's what that little set of instructions was. You're broadcasting initially in a request, and then you include the path information about where you've come from. The idea sounds easy enough, but it puts onus on the individual nodes to do that. It means that rather than you in here being passive receivers of your data, you potentially got to pass information on. You're not necessarily the recipient of the data. It may be that the data recipient is somewhere else, and I'm just asking you to pass it on. So you've got to act, potentially, as a router to bypass these through. And by having to listen and pass messages on, that takes a bit extra effort. You can't just sort of sit there and let the data wash over you. You've got to constantly listen to what's going on in case you're asked to pass a message on. Now that takes more power to do that. And by taking more power, you're draining your battery, you're making your node less sort of efficient to do it. But it's just ways of getting these bits of information around the network topology, if you like. And what it ends up doing is maintaining these horrendous tables. Now this is the bit where it's going outside our scope, but network engineers have got to develop these algorithms and get their nodes to maintain routes through and working out the fastest route through, what's the shortest distance in terms of time to sort of get through, and then decide which route to sort of use for it. There's a few others just sort of talked about here, about different sort of routing requests, but again, just really for a bit of sort of background info on what the network engineers do. I'm going to pick up next week at this sort of level on the performance of the operating systems. So we'll leave it there for this week, thank you. You can somehow send the register down